situation in Manipur is calm, but the situation is tense. There was the decision was taken that from 28 school and colleges will be open. But later the decision has been changed. From today the school and colleges they are not going to open, and till 27 the school and colleges of Manipur will close. That's what the latest order has come. Now the point is the gruesome, the dead bodies which has been recovered, the Metis dead bodies which has been recovered from the Jiri river. The condition of those Metis bodies were very much decomposed. Now what has come out in the post-mortem report, that is more that proves that how gruesome the murder took place. 3 years old children, his post-mortem report clearly shows that there was bullet injury in his skull and one of his eyes was taken out. That is very gruesome. Not only that, his mother's post-mortem shows that there are minimum 3 places where this type of bullet injury has taken place. And the grandmother's dead body also shows that there are minimum 5 places where bullet injury has taken place. So that is where it proves that it was not only murder, it was brutal murder. The murder was gruesome. Whoever had killed them in this way, this is absolutely very much gruesome. That's what is the concerning area now. So the joint action team, they had a meeting with the group of ministers. They had their demands placed in front of the group of ministers, and then they took the dead body. Last Monday, if you remember, N. Biren Singh along with 27 MLAs took a resolution. In that resolution, it was stated that the Kuki groups, some of the Kuki groups should be banned and they should be declared banned, and strong actions will be taken against them. Not only that, the demand was also there that this entire investigation should go to NIA, to which there are some cases which has already been taken up by NIA. But on the Kuki side also the resolution came up where it is stated that all the cases which starts off from May 2023 should go to NIA. So the thing is that right now the situation is calm, but the situation remains to be very much tensed. More than 70 companies, central forces are there, and they are actually guarding entire Manipur, specifically Imphal East, West, Jiribam, all these areas. Marching is going on. But the big question is, how long will that security has to be there? That is a very big question. Afswa has been reimposed. Both the Kuki and the Methi side wants that those 6 Hanas where Afswa has been reimposed, that should be withdrawn. Now that is another very strong demand that is coming from both sides. Now 7 days have passed. What central government does, all eyes will be on that.